Hola, wow.
Hola.
Breakfast is ready. Bago lang nag-ano mang inom ng gatas. Ay, yummy man daw, yummy. Mag-second vlog ka, you say second vlog.
Welcome to second vlog.
What's that?
Huwag mo itas, may itlog.
Mango.
And
Pancake and
Pizza
a yummy.
pancake and a yummy yogurt.
Dito na naman ang boksinguro. Dito na naman ang boksinguro. Dito na ang boksingero. Magpakita ka kaya hindi kita bigyan ng pera. At mahal. Payot na masyado sa TV booth, guys.
Daga lagi kayo napulit na pa.
Sana all. What fun is yan? Doon tayo kay... May niluto na si Itay. Nagkain na ako ng breakfast, guys. Nagluto po siya ng alimasag. Tapos yung request ko na lato. Eto. That is what I'm talking about, everyone. Salamat tayo. Sinamak. Wala pa mang sinamak yan. Oh, di ba? Meron pa tayong pagpag dyan, oh.
Langgit na bangus maliliit. Grabe ka sarap yung mag-uwi ka nito. 100 lang per package. Kanila.
Oh my God. Mahal, you want? Just one, mahal. I just want one. Dali na, guys. Kain, guys.
This is second breakfast.
Wow. I
Oy,
love it.
I want you to bring this in Liwarden because it's a small milk fish. They did like a danggit. You try. Very nice.
Need some
Ko,
Babe.
na-miss ko ito.
rice.
Tay, tama na yan, Tay. Mag-ano ka pa dyan. Nagluto na agad, aga-aga pa.
May sinigang pa tayo, Rick, ha? Here, the suka, the sausawan for that one.
Not that one.
Tingnan nyo ang mister ko, pinakain
Saan?
na ng ano.
Ikaw,
Dali siya. May na kay Tay, grabe Tay. Saan mo nabili ito? Grabe ka tamis.
plus, alam mo, 484.
Ha?
Oh,
Bawang pa yan.
ano, labaya?
Grabe Tay.
Ano yan, Pi? Labaya? Ano tawag, labay?
Makain na, Mang.
Ito, labay? Lambay.
Salamat Tay ha, the best ka talaga Tay.
Yan, nilulutoan siya ng kangkong. Ay, kain ka, oh.
Ang nanay.
Yun, paso!
Grabe. Katamis, Mang, hindi normal.
484.
Katamis, guys. Hindi baka magkain sinatan. Yeah. Mister ko. Sinatan, kumain na. Nami, just one more. And then you sausaw to the... This is my favorite. Like that.
God.
You did not sausaw it? You just ate it?
Oh.
Like that?
And then with some onion.
Yes. Tamaya na. Na.
Very good.
Tay, kain na tay.
Very good.
Tatapos ko lang, kaya nga.
Tagapagpa.
Ay!
Ito na ang bagong alas, Yati Karia. Oh, the real Mayordoma. Wow. Dito na nagugas. Tingnan nyo naman. Ibang-iba na guys. Sa dati nating bahay. Ganito na. Pero hindi sila nawala. Nandito pa rin sila, Ate Karia.
Hindi kami mawala.
Nandito na. Oh. Tingnan nyo ang ating mga pakabinet dyan. Dito na nagluluto si Itay. Dito na. Temporary. Meron pa kayong hindi. Oh, may sabaw na tayo. Oh. Sabi ko sa inyo, perfect talaga itong cook chef natin. Cook chef. Ang kangkong ni Daniel. Binilhan ka agad. Ang isa dito. Tingnan nyo ito silang dalawa. Uy, wag kayo dito. Doon kayo.
Ay, gagmay kay Gitoy.
Hindi na sila mahiwalay.
Awang sinigang.
You want sinigang? Yes, we will cook there. He wants sinigang daw, Tay. Luto na. Sabaw lang, sabaw. There, kay Ma'am. Sinigang, dali na. With rice. Busog kasi yan. Kaya alas 2, nag-ano ba? Nag-Jollibee pa kami. Kain, Day. Daniel, nagsabaw na din, oh.
With the real tamarind.
Lola niya na talaga ang nagbantay sa kanya, guys. Ano dito kay nagluto dati, Mang? Nagtatanong saan ang bagong bahay. Ayan pa lang, ano. Ito ang bagong bahay namin, guys. Dito na ang mansion, ang dining nandito. Ay, house tour pala to, house tour.
Yan. Kubo pero pang mayor ang table.
Tingnan niyo naman ang table, guys. Diba? Bakit, Mang? Bakit? Aya. That's pregnant maybe. Ito na ang bagong mansion ni Mother, guys. Sa ilalim ng mangga. Ito yung bahay dati ni Plexi. Pinaano po ni Mamang, pinadagdagan niya yung dito na side. Ay, sorry, Shan. Kumakain ka pala dyan, Shan.
Nagbigay siya.
Nang. Hala, rice sa umaga. Tama na. Done now.
More.
More?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Done now. Nakabalik na naman tayo dito, guys.
Go, sir.
Sa dagat na naman. Sa mga hindi nakaalam, meron na tayong dagat. Oh. Meron tayong mga paano dito. Oh.
Oh, no more.
Upuan. Dito na ang tambayan ngayon. Nawala na. Kahapon, panoorin nyo sa vlog. Kaganda ng dagat kahapon, guys. Jackstone na dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nag-practice pa siya. Tanaw, tanaw. Again.
Bob, I do my eyes for the rules.
Wait, I will do my own rules.
I will do my own rules.
Edi wow.
If I do 4,
Mm-hmm.
then I will get it okay.
Okay. Then how is your rules then?
Like this.
Mm.
And get another one.
Okay. But I'll show you that I can get it all. You want to see? Ha? Look. Wow!
Hello, Mama.
You see?
Look what I can do. I can do it.
1, 2. Wow! That's your own rules?
Yeah.
Bebe, don't go to the dagat alone, ha? Never ever go there. Tingnan nyo ang bagong laruan niya o dispenser. Sabi ko, wag niya lang inumin kay baka bad plastic siya ba. Nandito na sila. Naghakot ng mga laruan nila ni Alexi. Alexi, are you going to school today? I don't know. Meron nun. 1 hour lang. Oh, pangit pa ang dagat ngayon. Mamaya na lang gabi.
Mama, I have apple tea.
Apple tea juice? Ito talaga ang bagong bahay namin, guys. Are you sleeping there tonight with Alexi?
Putting all the shelves here, okay?
Na, you can put all your toys here. Ay, kasarap naman ang buhay dito sa Pilipinas, guys.
Diba, lalong sumarap?
As in, lalong sumarap ang buhay. Mas ano kami dito, mas, yung ano ba, mas, grabe ng tsura ko, ang non, Mang! Grabe ng itsura. Hindi, Garnet, magbihis ka naman. Second vlog pa lang ito. Alam nyo, anong oras pa? Alas 10 pa lang dito. Huwag nyo ako anuhin dyan. Grabe pa ang ano ko, ang aking jet lag, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, nag-Brazilian ang nanay ko. Dito. Ikaw na, Flex. Ka ba na naka-flex? Alam mo na, Flex? Sige, mag-TikTok tayo mamaya. Hindi na kami nag-aagawan dahil sa dami. Tingnan mo, katulad
That?
dito.
Yeah.
Ay, brown pa siya, brown. Pero grabe, kalalaki ng ano, bunga. In
Mama,
fairness.
can I eat
This
bird
one,
food?
okay, you want to try?
Is that bird food?
No, that's not bird. Yeah, they're eating it too.
Is
You like it?
food first?
Don't eat this one.
Is that
You throw this. Just the juice, yeah, like that.
Juice lang, Alexi, hawak mo.
Just the juice. There's a juice here. This one has the juice. You bite it, and then when the juice is not there anymore, you throw
Like
it.
this, oh, like
It's like chewing gum. You throw
Nathan,
it.
like this, you throw like this.
Yeah.
So, and then...
You just get the juice from inside and then throw.
Alexi, dali
Yummy?
na, tapon mo na yan. Magkuha tayo.
First time niya nagkain ng ano, guys.
And this one?
Sarisa. Yeah, you can also. But do you like, this one is the best. Flex, the red one, Flex. Give it to Nathan, Flex, please. My favorite when I was a child. First time niya, guys, nagsarisa. Like a honey, right?
Oh,
Do you like this? Or not so much?
no.
It's like berries in the Philippines. In the
They
Philippines.
grow it?
Yeah.
And they grow it so fast?
Yeah. You want more?
Yeah. When I was a baby, this was so my favorite.
There
That
more.
was in 3 days.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh, there. To Flexi. There's more.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hala, na-addict na din. May kaano na kami, kalaban na kami ni Mamang dito, guys.
Like that. Very good.
Very good. No more na? Done now? Hala, it's your favorite too? Natanay na. First time niya. Ginapaano lang namin. Dura ang... Paan?
Then throw the skin.
Then throw the skin. Done now, done now. Done now. I told you guys that when we are in the Philippines, it's not my husband anymore. We don't know each other. We don't kiss. We don't hug. How are you?
I'm good. For you.
Ay, thank you. May globe tayo, guys. Para sa ating paano. Ito na tayo mag-lunch. Meron pa tayong lecheng manok. Yeah, you can go there. But we will eat the sinigang soon. Good luck sa calorie deficit natin dito. Naging calorie deficit na siya. Oh, ribs pa yan. Tapos dalawang manok. You like talong so much. Grabe niya kasaya sa talong. Sige, mang karne konti, mang.
And Alexi?
Not really. Nagkakain daw ng talong si Alexi. And look. I will show you that he's also eating a yummy kangkong, guys. Dali. You see that? Wow. Yummy. You want to try talong? No? It's fine? Okay. Mahal. Agoy, wala na. Nilabas na ni Daniel ang pasalubong kay Itay.
Me, Mama?
One for me, one for you.
5, right? 5. Diba? Buhay-buhay na din ang mister ko, oh. And you know, they made you the kangkong, mahal. Kangkong adobo.
I have it.
Only for you.
Super nice.
Wow. Sana all is special. Oh, how was your kangkong?
Oh, very nice.
Nga?
With the chili, it's good.
Nga?
Good daw the tampon siya. Let's eat tampon.
Dari, mang. Ano ba? Ano, pakitaan ko kayo, ha. Magaling ako nito dati. Tara, guys, punta tayo ng Watsons. Kay si Nathan, kailangan niya po ng sabon. Liguan ko po yan para matulog sila ni Alexi. Magtabi daw sila. Look at that! Nag-rent tayo ng car for a month. Ay, init pa. Si siya nang mag-drive. Para yan, sa atin dito ba, may mga gala po tayo or ano ba, magbenta ng lupa. Yan ang gamitin.
That's our taxi.
Yeah, that's our taxi for now. Where's your pants? Pen. Alam mo ang kanta?
Si pinalilili, hititot, ilakaulula, laksatawin daya, lalay puti,
Sayang pula.
apatutera, ayat puti, apusalami, sam-sam sasuka amauta, sam-sam sasuka amauta, pepedi kuchinuria.
Grabe ang ano namin dito, background music. Teka, wait. Si Alexi na naman. What do you want to sing, Alexi? Yung kanta ni mama mo sa'yo pag ginapatulog ka, ano yun? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Memorize mo na yan, bakit simula baby, kaya nang patulog niya. Sige daw. Gusto ko nang... Yun na. Dali na, pasok mo na. Yung isa, wash. Ito Dermexa moisturizing cream. Gusto ko to. Grabe, Diyos ko. Tingnan nyo ang dala-dala niya. May dede na naman. Pilipinas na naman siya, guys. May dede. Kaya magdede man si Alexi. Magdede din daw siya. Okay, guys. Natulog na si Nathan. Sorry. Good night, guys. Good night. Tulog na sila, guys. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Siyan. Sa'yo to, Siyan. Sa'yo yan. Ayaw mo? Gusto? Close your eyes. Pang reels. Mga ano yan nila eh. Sila nag-request niyan. Meron pa, wala. Tapos, hati na kayo dito. Waffle, that is really Dutch food. Gusto nila ng matamis, guys. Gusto nila magpalaki pa. Kulang pa. Close your eyes. No, wala nakailag kung hindi niya nakilala anong close your eyes, guys. Oh.
Wow. Ay, alam ko ito, perfume.
Yes.
I love you.
Mahal masyado yan, guys. Guys, dali na, anak. Unsa mo niyo akong anak? Bigyan kita ng ano? Ay, 5,000.
Close your eyes, gani. Oh.
Hindi, open your eyes. Tanggalay mo nga, no? 5,000. Dili na. Charger. Bilihan ko lang yan siya dito. Kay, hindi na yan mag-ano, guys. Wala na yan siyang mga kuan sa buhay niya. Hindi na maano ang mga gusto niya malaman. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Wala pang kay Sean. Mamaya na doon sa bag ni Daniel.
Nasaan yung isa mo niyan, no?
Obvious lang. Rich, ayaw ko na mag-ano ka ha, maglaban-laban ka ha. Bantay, maglaban-laban ka. Rich, huwag ka maglaban-laban ha. Bantay, malaman ko maglaban-laban ka. Uy! Hello! Merong pasalubong sa kanyang kuya. Did you say thank you already to your kuya? Bebe. Nakaligo na po ang inday ninyo. Tingnan nyo ang aking hair, guys. Look at that. Sabi pa ni mamang, kamukha ko daw si Lorna Tolentino. Na-agree ba kayo dyan? Hi!
Hello.
Ang mister ko, hindi na kami
Wow,
nakikita.
pretty hair.
Yes. Hindi na kami nakikita. Where have you been, mahal? For 3 hours you were away.
3 hours, yeah, because we are in the car and then it's like, oh, go here, go there, go here. Babak back the whole time.
Tingnan nyo ang dala, kanto.
I got this one from Arnold. It was a gift.
Ah?
He got it somewhere in Davao City. It's salted caramel vodka. You want to try?
Kanto.
Some medicine for me for my acid. And then soap and body soap.
Sabihin mo dito sa vlog. Gusto ko sabihin mo sa vlog. Ayusin, gusto ko yung walang ano para mabigyan. Dali na.
And I got this
Ma?
one.
Ha? Alisin mo. Dali na.
And I got this because
Magpa-straight daw
Flexi
siya ng
told me I need to
buhok,
get this.
guys. Yes! Ay, tingnan nyo ang bangs niya. Sabi ko, kahaba na naman ang bangs mo. Magpa-straight daw siya. Samahan natin yan. Tingnan nyo ang nanay ko. Nilipat na naman ang bahay nila Nathan, guys. Andito na naman. Andun yung kanina eh. Andito na naman. Oh. Ay, maganda. Nandito na mga laruan niya.
I want French fries.
Cupcake?
Cupcake. Buot ka sa mong order.
But in the Netherlands, you always told me that your restaurant is closed. But here, you're asking them what their order. But if I order, your restaurant is closed. Kanino yan?
Saan ba kasabihin na naman
The other one, the cupcake is for our money.
Ay, hindi have ice cream, Aisha.
Manny Pacquiao? 3 panday ni Mama ngang nagtulungan dito. Kamahal din daw nito kaya ang bayad niya sa isang araw sa panday. Tapos 3 sila gumagawa.
Here.
Thank you.
Isaw?
What is this? Oh, fried chicken. I'm gonna eat fried chicken. French fries or burger?
French fries.
You?
French fries.
Okay. McDonald's or Jollibee?
Jollibee. Jollibee.
Why are you copying Alexi? What you want?
Again, have faster. I want faster.
Together you answer ha.
6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7.
One only. 6 or 7?
7.
Okay.
Ano nagkamot-kamot na
yellow
si
green.
Nathan, guys. Ano naman yan? Andito sila sa baba ng talisay. Ganda ng ano. Lipat dyan kay mainit daw doon sa umaga. Pinapaalis sila! Hindi kayo kaya dyan! 2 pa daw talaga sila.
Lingkod. Ay, lingkod. Dam, lingkod eh.
Ay, mag-smile kayo, be. Mag-smile kayo. 1, 2, 3. Nathan, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Picture.
1, 2, 3. Mura, mag-ako. Ako na pinatanda, guys. It's like me. Hawa! 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 They are eating. Look.
Ay.
Bubuyog, bubuyog. Ma? Ah.
Maghingi ako pera.
Bakit?
Mag-upgrade.
Kapugi ng anak ko. Kaganda ng mukha niya ngayon ba? Kuyawa, oy. Ganyan mo na, be. Ganyan mo na, be. Suntok. Grabe, kaganda ng dagat ni Mamang, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, panoorin. Hindi ko sabi pakita dito para mapanood yung vlog kahapon. Sa mga hindi nanonood ng vlog, panoorin nyo. Marites ka? Diyan, panoorin mo dyan. Dali, sabihin dito, sabihin mo. Kay bilihan siya, 5. Magkano yun?
5-3 lang.
5-3. O, sige, ano sabi?
6,000
sabihin
kasali ang pag-install.
Sabihin mo.
The best ma'am in the world.
Sige na, order mo na yan. Yan ang regalo natin sa kanya. Magpunta tayo sa bahay ni Plexike. Mag-upload po kami. Wow! Ate Princess! Hug! Oh, you miss each other. Oh, we have the same hair, Princel. Nathan, your new best friend. Dali na, Biboy. Anak ni May, guys. Yung nagbantay kanila, Nathan. Kamukha niya. Ala! Kuya, your new best friend. Ali, Biboy, pag-say hi sa akong vlog, Bi. Ala!
What is your
Ano tawag mo sa...
name in Napa? What is your name? Bibo. My name is Bibo.
Kaya mag-English eh. Ay, sino ako?
Can you say
Mami Aipe.
Daniel Bahal?
Si Daniel, Daddy Daniel.
Go. Hello, girl. What's your name? My name is Oh, yes, sauce.
Grabe ka ganda.
I'm so tired.
Oh yeah, you're so tired. You just woke up. Let's go there to your dagat and they will watch the vlog yesterday. Grabe ang... Bad trip na yan sila sa akin ba? Tanoorin nyo na yung vlog kapon. Okay. Nangyawa tayo guys. Ha? Nangyawa tayo. Those kids. Do you hear that? Do you hear the dagat guys? Ay, grabe. Grabe ang ano bang hangin. Hindi na namin kailangan punta-punta sa mga dagat guys.
The punishment might not be for me, but I was the one who got punished.
What is this about?
They taped the Berenburg
They?
very tightly, these two, and then I had to peel it. No nails. I had to peel it to get it.
Because the banana is inside my bag.
And my bag also. And my bag
I did
also.
not know
Tambayan.
about that. That's not me.
Dito picture. Perfect.
So, what will you guys do to make it up?
Saan to baga? Ikaw talaga butang. You put on.
Oh my gosh. Kinilaw.
ng crab eh. Kain man tayo ng crab.
Oo nga tay. Sarap guys. Wow, perfect ka tay. Guys. Do you like it? Bebe? Your prito. Yummy. Nathan likes this everyone. And then some rice. Grabe, 3 times a day nag-rice ito today. Kain ka na? Grabe, bilib ako sa pamilya ko. Guys, Nathan at Daniel, 3 times a day nag-rice today. Wow. 4? Ah, yeah, 4 times. Buyag.
So guys, today you're watching, enjoy, see, love you tomorrow. Bye.
Ikaw,
We need to be careful.
ulitin mo yung sabi ni Nathan.
I love you tomorrow. Bye.
I love you tomorrow.
Bye.